How to set up special promotions in Magento Commerce. This tutorial will show you how to manage special promotions in Magento Commerce and assumes you're already logged into Magento. To add a catalog promotion, go to Promotions and select Catalog Price Rules. This page will show you all of the catalog price rules that have been added. Scroll right. To add a new rule, click this button. Enter a name for the new rule. Choose whether the status of the promotion is active or inactive. Hold down the Control key and click to select the customer groups that this promotion will apply to. Scroll down. You can choose the start and end date of the promotion from the pop-up calendar. Scroll up. Click Conditions. Click the plus sign to add a condition. Choose the condition to add. Click the dots to finish the condition. Click to search for the product's SKU. Select the correct product. Click the check mark to apply the changes. Go to Actions. Select what the rule should be applied to. Enter the discount amount. Scroll right. Click Save Rule. The rule has been saved but not applied. Scroll right. Click Apply Rules. The rule has now been applied. To add a shopping cart promotion, go to Promotions and select Shopping Cart Price Rules. This page will show all the shopping cart promotions that have been created. Scroll right. To add a new rule, click this button. Enter a name for the rule. Choose whether the promotion status is active or inactive. Hold down the Control key and click to select the customer groups this promotion will apply to. Scroll down. You can select the start and end dates for this promotion. Scroll up. Click Conditions. Click the plus sign to add a condition. Select a condition from the list. Click the dots to complete the condition. Type in a value. Go to Actions. Select what the new rule will apply to. Enter the discount amount. Scroll right. Click Save Rule. The new rule has been saved and applied. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to set up special promotions in Magento Commerce.